Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It is about noon Eastern Standard Time, April 29th, 2010, and we are looking at a nice move up, brought to you by some earnings and a drop in jobless claims, so nice to have that. Also, people trying to take apart what's happening in Europe, trying to shore them up a little bit. So if we look at day-only data, you can see this run up right to our next logical spot of resistance, this 121 mark, and the swing high, which is a perfect gap fill also from a couple days ago. So this is an area now of resistance I'll be watching on the upside, which we talked about this morning. Beautiful unfilled gap from this morning. If you look at that as well, remove this little guy here. So nice move up, consolidation, and now we're heading higher with a series of higher swing lows, higher swing highs, about a double top here, however, most recently, which again makes sense into this 121 mark. So watch how we consolidate here. If we do get a breakout of this ascending triangle that's forming right now, then we'll be looking at that. Just make sure that the 121 mark has also been tested, and that's good stuff. So the intraday trend neutral after being a little bit bearish, but dropping also. I'd like to see this drop below the next logical spot of support for him, which would be just shy of $1 mark and heading south, or the 1 point. I'd like to see that again to be bullish confirmation, and the trend Q is also a bit divergent from what the price action and the trend is doing as well, hovering at 1.3, and that is X% more bearish than if we were in the 0.9 range, for instance. So again, I'd like to see this bleed out a little bit before I got too frisky about going long. And the VIX, nice tiebreaker in this scenario, has been dropping nicely all day long and now basing on its low as the markets are basing near their high. So good stuff. Lots of interesting trend and trend Q work. The VIX, again, confirming beautifully. Zooming out a time frame, you can see that we have some room to go to 18 here, right into the 200 MA on a 15-minute chart. On a 60-minute chart, same $18 mark matches with the 50 MA, so nothing to sneeze at there. And I'd like to see that fail to the south if we're going to go long. So that's where I see in the broad markets here intraday, and a nice run-up, multi-bar run-up after an unfilled gap in resistance. Beautiful stuff. On a higher time frame, a daily chart, we're back up into the range where we thought we were going to be for a consolidation, which is excellent. And like I said, best case scenario for trying to chew our way out of some higher, longer-term weakness that we had seen coming in the form of slowing momentum. So consolidation here on a weekly chart would be fantastic before we get a break, and that's what I'm looking for. So good stuff, everybody. Hope you have a great rest of the trading day, and look forward to D7's video at the close.